Hi, I'm Doug and I'm the Technical Sales and Support Engineer here at TASKA Prosthetics. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the grip tips on the TASKA CX hand. Each hand comes with a spare set of grip tips and the TASKA screwdriver. Only use the tools applied to remove and replace grip tips. Grip tips should be replaced when they're worn out or you feel like the gripping surface is not as good as it used to be. This is a good example of a grip tip that should be replaced. To remove the grip tips, insert the screwdriver into the slot just above the metal bar, apply a small amount of pressure until it removes from the finger. You should be able to now remove the old grip tip completely. The same steps apply to the index as to the middle, the ring and the little finger. To remove the grip tip from the thumb, place the screwdriver here between the plastic and the grip tip, apply a small amount of pressure and it should disconnect. You can now completely remove the grip tip. To replace grip tips, slide the new tip from the top of the finger down until it clicks into place. For the thumb, first align the hook at the base of the grip tip, then press the top to click into place. All TASKA CX grip tips have capacitive touch, including the thumb, allowing users to operate any common touchscreen devices.